What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's cut the crap. It's time. It's been a long awaited time to do this. As you guys know, we're about at the time of this video, we're a couple weeks out from Ford Takeover, my event, Ford Takeover, and I had to have the car ready to go. And everybody's been like, "When are you gonna get the car ready? When are you gonna get the car ready?" Okay, well, guys, I got the car ready. So let's dive in right now because we got parts. Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen. We're ready to hook. 26 1050s, Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. These are bias plies. They are bias plies. So here's the thing. If you're kind of new to drag racing, you're looking to put your car in a sticky tire, just a quick tip. If you have an automatic, drag radials will be good. You know, the radial type tire. If you're on a, if you're looking to go racing with your stick shift, you need to do a bias ply. Just save your drivetrain. It helps. Trust me. So yeah, got the bias plies, and so we're ready to hook and go because everybody wants some, ladies and gentlemen, and I've got to be ready. But there they are. And then, of course, obviously the Celine wheels are not going to fit on these, but I got some lug nuts here. They are open end because we got the, in case you hadn't seen, giant half-inch studs. All right, so without further ado, there you go, baby. These, ladies and gentlemen, are the 15 by 10 Billet Specialty street lights with the black. I love the black. Absolutely love the black. These things are an absolute thing of beauty. 15 by 10, 6.5 inch back spacing. Super light. I mean, my God, they weigh nothing. As you can see there. Boys and girls, about time to do work. Definitely about time to do work. Now, you're probably asking, hey, Caleb, where's the front runners? Unfortunately, the front runners are back ordered. Let me back up. Not only are they back ordered, but they're also made to order, which like the Weld S71, stuff like that. All those wheels are made that way. So I don't know when they're going to be here. They're similar, but not identical to the fronts. But you'll see that in an upcoming video. But what we got to do right now, because it's a beautiful day, go get these things put on. Let's go. All right, boys and girls, through the power of editing. Yes, because you've seen tires mounted and balanced about a million times, I spared you the excitement of that. And we're going to get right into the excitement of, yeah, these things are just a work of art. But we're not going to be standing here drooling over these for too long. I did stop and grab an impact and torque wrench from Ken so that we can get these things on, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's go. All right, guys, quick update. As you can see, I am no longer in the garage. I am out here at the shop with Alex. Let's just say there was a massive fiasco with the lug nuts. And I didn't check, so it's my fault. I didn't check and it turned into a big mess. But as you can clearly see, boys and girls, we're ready to party. Why do we have Mickey Thompson ET Street bias plies on the car? Because we like to party. So there you go. Huge shout out again to Alex for helping me out. Teamwork, baby. We made it happen. But what we're about to do now is put the fuel level sender in there. Won't take us 2 seconds. Gonna get that out and swap the oxygen sensor, and boom, done. Project for the day complete. All right, let's get busy. All right, boys, check it out. What do you think? Bad or no? Yep. The old Cinder had it. It was working when we parked it, but obviously sitting dry for a while, it took its toll while we were building it, which happens to most of the cars out here. And then, of course, the bad oxygen sensor, as you can see, due to its faulty reading, we were running ridiculously rich, and that's why it sounded like a shotgun when it backfired. So we're about to put this other O2 sensor in now. The sending unit is in. Get this thing on the ground, see how the wheels look, and watch the gas gauge actually function. Say it ain't so.
They're long, they'll be gone.
They'll get put on something.
Use them both up.
All right, boys. Let's see how we did here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think we're gonna be real good, actually. Shoot, they fit. Seem like they fit better than the Celine wheels do. Way up in there. Now it looks kind of weeny.
Hey, that's more room for the smoke to come.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, it clears the pan hardbar. Everything clears great. Yep. Looks like we got plenty of clearance.
Oh yeah, the backside clears perfect too.
We are good to go, boys, and ready to hook and go. Sheesh. What do you think, Alex? You like them?
Yeah.
I think they'll work.
Sweet.
I'm just ready for the front runners. I wish the front runners had shipped when the rears did, but it is what it is. I dig it. We need to smoke them now. All right, so moment of truth. We're looking for a functional gas gauge, guys. I'm gonna turn the key over. See what she does. Might help if I had a key in it. And didn't move. Does it gotta be started, you think?
No, it should be a cycle with the key. Should have popped right over with the key. Turn it off and back on again. Turn it back on.
It's jumping a little bit. Alright, give us time here. We'll figure it out. Let's see. Come on, baby. And there she goes. There she goes.
See that?
Yeah, that thing went right up. Look at there. We have fuel gauge. Man, this thing is getting stupid gas mileage. I probably drove 200 to 300 miles, and it's still above a half a tank. I mean, good God. I love it.
Don't film in here.
All right, guys. What, Ken?
Don't film in here. It's nasty.
I know, right? All right, guys. So here's the deal. We got everything together, and I could not wait to make a pass to fuel the car a little bit, and so we just took out. And I gotta say,
He's scared.
it made me a little nervous. It pointed towards the curb one time. All right, Ken. What do you think?
About damn time.
What do you think of that, baby?
That looks awesome.
Yes, sir. We're ready to do some damage now. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, I'm impressed. Not just because it's my car, I'm impressed. First time. You're leaving?
Yards to mow.
Yards to mow. We need to make some pulls in this thing.
Hey, bud. We gotta do that today. It's gonna rain tonight.
Yeah, that's true. That is
I got
true.
two to do, two big ones.
And then we're about to hit the track, right, Ken?
Yeah.
It's gonna be good. Dover, you're gonna be there, right?
No,
Not at the track?
that's not what the wife says.
Well, we got to make tomorrow night the official track night.
Look, yeah, it's official night when he don't go.
Well, Alex,
Everybody else
look, Alex wasn't ready, I wasn't ready, and Dinkins wasn't ready. But now everybody,
They were there.
I know, but everybody's got tires now, so we can do something, including Skin. Ken,
I don't know
Skin.
what you're talking about.
All right, guys, that is what is up. It has been a freaking busy, crazy, insane day. The car is ready, and I'm so excited. hopefully pull the tires. That's the goal. It goes straight. I'm not gonna lie, it did pull the ride a little bit, but we'll figure all that out. So, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button.
Don't do it.
Ken, I'm trying to end the video.
Don't do it.
All right, go build your beats. Later.